Hi guys, Clint from TrugShop. Today I'm just going to show you crudely how we make the signs, and I actually want to make a sign as a backdrop for my CNC machine. Got a big blank area on the wall here, and that's basically where I want it to go. I have a small sign, a plaque that I made up out of oak, and this is basically what it's going to be. This is our logo, TrugShop, with our contact information on the plaque. I just want a bigger version of it. So I'm going to stop talking and get on with it. Right, what we've got here is a sheet of MDF, 18mm, and this is going to be our sign for our backdrop. I don't normally make signs out of MDF, but as it's just for me in my workshop, it'll do. And it's going to be 800mm wide, 600mm tall. We're going to chamfer the edges on our table router, sand it all back, clean it up, and then I'm going to put a white vinyl, like a mask on it, but the vinyl is going to stay on it. I'm going to leave that on it so it's got a nice shiny background to it, and then we'll just have the carved areas exposed, which I may or may not spray with a sealer. I probably will, just to give it a bit of protection in the workshop. During the winter months it might get cold and a bit damp, hopefully not. But yeah, that's basically it. So as soon as this is routed and cleaned up, I'll put it on the machine, and then I will cut it. Right, this is our CNC machine. This is a Workbee 1010. So it's 1 metre by 1 metre by Ooze Nest, and this is what we cut all of our signs on. And this is what we will be making our backdrop on. Well, there you go. Nice, simple, straightforward, and it's exactly what I wanted it to be. A backdrop for my CNC machine with our details on. So, gives you a bit of an idea of what we do with our CNC machine, how it works. This is one of our many things that we do with our trugs, our planters, all the other signs we do, our hanging pub signs, bottle openers, plaques. Come check us out on social media at TrugShop. On the sign.